There is a moment in life that almost everyone over 60 eventually reaches. You wake up in the morning, place your feet on the floor, and suddenly notice that your legs do not feel the same as they used to. They are stiff, they are slow, they are heavy. Maybe you need a second before you can stand, or you reach for the edge of the bed just to steady yourself. Most people shrug and think it is simply age. They blame the passing years, the birthdays, the candles on the cake. But the truth is different. What feels like aging is often something else entirely. It is the result of a slow breakdown happening inside the muscles, the tissues, and the systems that once made movement effortless. For decades, people believed that weak legs, nighttime cramps, and morning stiffness were unavoidable. They assumed nothing could be done except to accept it. But medical research has revealed a much more hopeful story. Your body retains the capacity to rebuild muscle at almost any age. It can repair, it can strengthen, it can adapt. What matters is whether it is given what it needs at the right time. During the day, your muscles are constantly being used. Walking, bending, reaching, climbing stairs, even standing in one place creates tiny micro tears in muscle fibers. This process is normal, and it is part of how the body becomes stronger. But the strengthening does not happen during the day. It happens when the body is at rest. The most critical period of muscle repair takes place at night, long after the lights are turned off and the house becomes quiet. That is when the body sends enzymes, proteins, minerals, and growth factors to rebuild the tissue that was stressed and damaged during the day. Yet after 60, the repair crew changes. The body produces less growth hormone. Digestion slows. Nutrient absorption declines. And unless the body receives the right support before bed, the nightly rebuilding process becomes incomplete. Instead of waking stronger, many people wake weaker. One night of poor repair is barely noticeable. A week begins to show. A month becomes a pattern. A year begins to take away independence. The good news is that this process can be influenced, not with expensive supplements, not with complicated routines, but with something simple and accessible. Certain natural foods, especially fruits, supply the exact nutrients required for nighttime repair. They provide the minerals that prevent cramps, the antioxidants that reduce inflammation, and the compounds that stabilize blood sugar so the body can sleep deeply and restore strength. The key is choosing the right fruit and eating it at the right time. Let us begin with the first of these powerful evening allies. Number 3, the Mineral Guardian, Evening Golden Fruit. There is a problem that many people over 60 know all too well. It strikes suddenly, often in the middle of the night. A sharp pain seizes the calf or the foot. The muscle tightens like a metal vise. You have to sit up, rub the leg, or walk across the room until the spasm finally releases. Even after the cramp fades, the leg remains sore and unsteady. It is painful, it is exhausting, and it interrupts the very sleep that is required for healing. These nighttime cramps are not random. They are a signal. Muscles require specific minerals to function correctly, and one of the most important is potassium. Potassium is part of the electrical system that tells muscles when to tighten and when to relax. When levels are low, signals become confused. Muscles lock instead of releasing. Spasms replace smooth movement. Stiffness replaces freedom. A simple way to restore this balance is to provide the body with a natural source of potassium before bed. The golden fruit that helps here is familiar, comforting, and easy to eat. A small serving in the evening supplies gentle, natural sugars for energy, fiber to stabilize digestion, magnesium to calm the nerves, and vitamin B6 to support protein metabolism. Inside the body, these nutrients do more than soothe muscles. They help convert fuel into energy, ensure proper contraction and relaxation cycles, and stabilize the nervous system so the body does not overreact. When eaten an hour before bedtime, this fruit prepares the muscles for a night of rest rather than a night of screaming for help. The solution is simple. Half to one serving is usually enough. You do not need more. More is not better. Too much fruit can raise blood sugar and disrupt sleep. A moderate portion provides what the body needs without overload. People who begin this habit often notice the difference within days. They wake with fewer cramps. Their legs feel steadier. Their first steps in the morning are smoother and less hesitant. This food is not a miracle, but it supports the biological systems that allow the miracle of repair to occur. The body already knows how to heal. It simply needs help supplying the building blocks. Number 2, the nighttime restorer, the emerald sleep fruit. There is another problem that affects millions of older adults, and yet very few recognize it as the cause of muscle weakness. Sleep becomes fragmented. People fall asleep but wake during the night. They toss, they turn, they rise in the morning feeling as if they barely rested. Even those who claim they slept through the night often fail to enter the deep restorative phases where muscle repair takes place. What is often missing is not sleep itself, but the biochemical signals that allow sleep to unfold naturally. One of the most helpful signals comes from serotonin, a neurotransmitter that influences mood and the sleep-wake cycle. When serotonin levels rise in the evening, the brain begins converting it into melatonin, which tells the body it is time to drift into rest. There is a small, green fruit that supports both processes. It contains naturally occurring serotonin. It is also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen provides structure to tendons, ligaments, and muscle fibers. As collagen production declines with age, tissues grow weaker and more prone to injury. Providing vitamin C before sleep supplies the raw materials needed for the body to repair connective tissues. This emerald fruit also contains fiber to stabilize blood sugar throughout the night. Stable blood sugar means fewer awakenings, fewer restless hours, and calmer sleep. Antioxidants found in the fruit reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, helping the body wake with less stiffness and more fluidity in movement. Many people have tried sleeping pills, even for years, without realizing that a simple, natural food can achieve a deeper and more restorative effect. Sleep medication sedates the brain, but sedation is not the same as repair. Sedation does not rebuild tissue. Natural sleep does. And when the body is given what it needs, that sleep becomes possible again. The solution is easy. One piece of this fruit eaten an hour before bed is enough. You do not need to juice it. In fact, juicing removes the fiber that keeps blood sugar stable. Eat it whole. Scoop it with a spoon. Let its nutrients do their work quietly while you rest. Number 1. The silent fire calmer, the scarlet recovery fruit. There is one more challenge that quietly steals strength as the years pass. It is often confused with aging, but it is not the same. It is inflammation. Not the obvious kind that comes with redness or swelling, but a slow, smoldering fire that never fully stops. Every step, every bend, every climb adds fuel to that fire. It is not dangerous at first. It feels like heavy legs, stiff joints, slow movement in the morning. But over months and years, the effects accumulate. Muscles recover more slowly. Joints lose their smoothness. Energy fades. Activity becomes harder. A person begins to move less, which only accelerates the decline. There is a deep red fruit that helps put out this hidden flame. It is rich in anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation at the cellular level. These compounds help muscles recover from daily stress. They also protect cells from oxidative damage, which accelerates aging. This fruit contains natural melatonin as well, so it supports sleep and repair. The effect is gentle but noticeable. People who add this scarlet fruit to their evening routine frequently report less soreness, easier walking, smoother movement, and better sleep. Their mornings feel lighter. Climbing stairs becomes easier. Balance improves. What seemed like aging was actually inflammation being allowed to burn unchecked. The key is purity. Sweetened versions provide sugar without the beneficial compounds. The natural form, fresh, frozen, or pure juice without additives, delivers the healing effect. A small serving is all that is needed. More can cause digestive issues or disrupt blood sugar. A moderate amount works best. When used consistently over a week or two, the difference becomes clear. The body does not feel as though it is fighting itself. Instead, it begins cooperating with movement again. The simple system that brings them together. Each of these foods has a unique purpose. One restores minerals and prevents cramps. One supports deep sleep and collagen production. One reduces inflammation and speeds recovery. But the true power comes when they are applied correctly. Here is the principle. Nighttime nutrition drives muscle repair. What you eat before bed is not merely a snack. It is an investment. It is a direct influence over how your body rebuilds. Muscles do not grow stronger at the gym. They grow stronger in the dark, under blankets, during long, quiet hours when no one is watching. If the body has the nutrients it needs, repair happens. If not, decline happens. The simple system that brings them together. Each of these foods has a unique purpose. One restores minerals and prevents cramps. One supports deep sleep and collagen production. One reduces inflammation and speeds recovery. But the true power comes when they are applied correctly. Here is the principle. Nighttime nutrition drives muscle repair. What you eat before bed is not merely a snack. It is an investment. It is a direct influence over how your body rebuilds. Muscles do not grow stronger at the gym. They grow stronger in the dark, under blankets, during long, quiet hours when no one is watching. If the body has the nutrients it needs, repair happens. If not, decline happens. The plan is simple. Choose the fruit that matches your need. Eat it about an hour before bed. Stay consistent for 10 to 14 days. Pay attention to how you feel in the morning. Notice your first steps when you stand. Do you rise more easily? Do your legs feel less stiff? Do you feel calmer, steadier, more confident? Aging is not weakness. Aging is adaptation. The body still wants to move. It still wants to repair. It has not forgotten how. It simply needs the materials to do the job. This nighttime habit requires no gym membership, no pain, no struggle. It requires attention, consistency, and trust in the quiet work that happens while you sleep. Every night you support your repair system is a night you protect your independence. Strength returns. Confidence returns. Life becomes more open again.